On today's episode, we're going to be unboxing, installing, and testing out an adjustable cell phone holder. So inside the box, we got Allen key, we have the hardware, we have instructions, see? The detailed instructions how to mount it. And they fit all sizes of cell phones, from iPhone to Android. So here's one of the mounts for the C-frame and the other mount. So you can see multiple adjustable. The ball for your swivel. And everything's aluminum, like powder coated aluminum. So it's really strong, heavy duty. We got more swivels, so we got like 360 view. And there goes the box. Here's the cell phone holder itself. We got, oh, very nice. Padded. It's all padded, all aluminum. Look at that. Spring loaded and adjustable, so you can have your screws to clamp it even stronger. And so you could adjust a more fine adjustment. And this is for your length and stuff. So first you mount to the frame to the side, then you mount your ball. So you have this ball going into the mount. Where's the mount? There, like that. So inside the box, everything comes with it. So you don't need like extra tools or anything. You have everything that comes inside. All right, so once you screw in the bolt here that holds the swivel to this part, to the mount of the side-by-side, next step on the instructions, it says take your mount for the cell phone holder, flip it around. On the back you have these two holes there, and that mounts the other swivel ball, and it comes with 2 screws on it. So you're going to take it out of the bag, put it there, screw it down. A little bit of blue Loctite because it's metal contact. So I put a little bit, just a little bit. Other ball here, just like that. Screw that down. You don't have to put the Loctite, but knowing me, I always like to put it on any of my stuff. All right, so that step is done. Now, next step. This is going to be mounted to the frame. Now you got the holder ready to go. Swivel ball holder. All these parts are aluminum. The only thing is like this is plastic, and the balls are plastic, so it's easier to grip on. So this goes to the frame. That would go, however, you could have it like this or face that way. So have it like that. Okay, now it clicks. Now hold it together and tighten. And stuff. So now, again, adjustable. You could change the mounting thing. So I got like a iPhone 10?
11.
11, close enough. iPhone, put in here like this. Pull up, down, solid. And then this, you could, the side mounts, you can move it around. See, there's a gap right now and stuff. So you can loosen these 2 screws, Phillips screws, push it together and stuff, and it'll be a tighter fit. Look at this shit.
Okay.
Look at this thing. It's not going
Any bumps, any jumps, anything.
No.
It's not going to move.
It's not going to move.
Once you mount it, it's staying put.
Even the mounts, even for the frame mounts, that has, look, it has non-slip pads inside there, kind of thing. So once you clamp these 2 screws, tighten them, it'll clamp on the frame. Look at that.
So even with that, I can still use my camera while it's mounted.
Yeah, you could record.
So I can still record.
Yeah. See? Little perks to mount.
Nice.
And stuff. It doesn't cover up the lens.
Can you swivel it horizontally?
Anyway, 360. 360. So look, you have it like this.
Mm-hmm.
Sideways.
Upside down.
Any angle. Look.
Oh. And then once you lock it in, that's how it's going to stay.
Yeah. Once you lock in, that's it. Then it won't move. Kind of thing. Let's go to the side-by-side. in the freezing cold and install it. And I'll show you guys how it is. Then we'll go drive it, we'll test it. You got your 2 screws here. But first, I'm gonna take them out and we're gonna put a little bit of Loctite. Again, you don't have to. I'm just gonna do it because I do not plan on taking this mount off. That's it. Now you have your Allen key that comes inside the box. You got your mount again of non-slip pads. So even we have a windshield. So even with the windshield, it clamps around on the frame, and then we have doors too. So it clamps here on the side and stuff. So it won't interfere with the window or the door if you have it on your unit. So again, wait. Open up, wiggle, wiggle, close. So now you're gonna screw down these 2 bolts. So
would this interfere with your steering wheel?
No, because you could adjust it. Remember, it has a swivel. Okay. So you could adjust it, and plus you could adjust the height too.
So you can mount it anywhere.
Look at that. It's not going nowhere. So this is adjustable. If you loosen this bolt here that you put the first swivel ball, you could adjust it up and down so you can make it even more smooth to the window kind of thing. And then again, remember, you could 360, you could have like display, and then look, if you're sitting inside, so now the mount's in there. So even if you have doors, fabric doors, the real doors or whatever that cost $6,000, still works. Everything works, closes, the function is still there kind of thing. StarknightMT has different type of mounts. So this mount mounts to the frame. There's another mount that they have that goes right. There's a bolt here. There's a screw. So it goes there and it mounts, and the mount sits right on top of this section here. And then your cell phone sits here. So it's more like low profile. So once you put your mount here, this thing is not going over. It's solid. It's right against, and it's nice and flat. So your doors still close right against the frame. Very nice. Yeah, that's not going over. Okay.
And you can close the door?
Yeah, watch. With no effort.
No issues.
Yeah, it doesn't impede anything. It's good. Okay, so this is my setup right now. So I got my charge cable from the middle of the dash going to the cell phone holder. And stuff. So I adjusted the bottom mount right here. I adjusted it up a little bit, and then I put it sideways, the iPhone. We got an iPhone here. And this is how I'm gonna record our trail ride that we're gonna go right now. All right, let's go.
Yeah.